Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Toyota Yaris without its key. First, you'll need to understand your vehicle's specific security system. Many modern cars have an emergency key slot or a push-button start override. Make sure your car battery is not completely dead, as this method still requires some power. We'll cover the common steps to get your Yaris running, even if your key fob isn't working. If your key fob battery is low, you can often still start your Yaris. Simply press the start button directly with the key fob itself. For some models, you might need to place the fob in a specific slot, usually near the steering column or in the center console. This allows the car's immobilizer system to read the fob's chip, even without full power, and authorize the engine to start. Sometimes the issue isn't the key, but the car's main battery. A weak battery can prevent starting, even with a recognized key. Ensure your battery terminals are clean and tight. Always make sure your Toyota Yaris is in park or neutral before attempting to start it. If these steps don't work, your owner's manual will have specific instructions for emergency starting procedures. If you've tried these methods and your Toyota Yaris still won't start without the key, it's time to consider professional help. There might be a deeper electrical issue or a problem with the immobilizer system itself. Avoid attempting to force any components, as this could cause further damage. A qualified locksmith or mechanic can diagnose the problem safely and get you back on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.